This is No Ten Shop channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. This is No Ten Shop channel. We are here at the Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Brother, how's it?
What was it?
Sharp, was it?
Sharp, my brother, man.
You take on the game?
All Sundowns,
Sundowns, okay.
Sure. From Rangu. Sure. What a great game. What a great game.
Yeah.
Because everybody was talking and they underestimated the Chiefs.
Big time, yeah.
But Italy on a high note.
Prepared.
Yeah, on a high note. And then this is what we want to see. We don't want to see walkovers. We don't want to see walkovers always. We know Sundowns gonna be to 5, Sundowns gonna be to 4. You know. So now I was really impressed with Chiefs the way they game. The problem is at the end of the day, the best team must win.
Exactly.
And then Rona, we are collecting points. We really
game by game.
Yeah, we really collect. The most important part is we must collect points.
That's it.
Well, not from now. Last time, Pirate, they can catch it Sundowns because they need to catch up.
Exactly.
Ronara win, and this season is a different season. More 20 games in Sundowns are not draw.
Not at all.
I not draw. It's only 2 loses.
Only, yeah.
And then it's win.
Exactly.
So there's a huge difference.
Relata 70 points.
Soon.
Yeah.
And then I go to the code. There's a possibility of a verdict this week. Yeah, really. And the way we had the game to get cancelling.
Yeah.
So if the game to get cancelling, we're going to have 3 points. And then have 3 points. But I saw only 2 games in hand. I get knowing only 4 games in hand.
Yeah.
I saw only 4 games in hand and only 2 games in hand. Yeah. Stellenbosch, Golden Arrows.
Exactly. Yeah.
Then Ribashiaka home in points. Now Ribashiaka 15 points.
So Ribashiaka 15.
Yeah. Then Heba 2 games here, Ribashiaka 8 points. And then Ribashiaka 8 points, we are gone.
Exactly.
And Kadi 14, we are fun.
15, yeah.
Kadi 15.
Yeah.
And I finalize this thing.
And Alaba Shapa Vele Chai.
Arba Shapi.
Yeah, na draw.
How? Replica Patapaka Chokon win a league.
Oh yeah.
We are winning the league today.
Yeah.
So here is some Galwan.
Yeah.
We are lifting up the trophy.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we are gone. We are gone league. But anyway, game was 100%. Mola nona lady like the moment. Each and every player. Net Chiefs Italy strategy. Or if Martu Samikile.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you who impressed you the most from Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah.
Martu Samikile, because how can level the way Martin Samgating. Mukwena Napala Samika today. Napala, it was difficult for Yenora Samika. It was difficult because we end up Ile at Samika Mo 5.
Exactly.
Yeah, because Upushe Lokomarauta.
Exactly.
Yeah, but our coach we realized them around are not Erikitise Aubas. So that I kono mutusa and then Yana konosa. Irlas Nairavan Mukwena Samka came here.
Coach will not feel too much.
He's too smart. He's too smart.
Big time.
Yeah, but overall. Now I'm impressed with South African football. Like Achiko. The Chiefs
played very well.
Played very well.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Congratulations, my brother. Hola.